In many Indian homes, one unexpected expense can throw the whole month off track. That's what happens when money is coming in, but there's no real budget guiding where it goes. As income grows, spending often grows even faster. More food deliveries, more upgrades, more small comforts. Slowly, your savings start shrinking without you even noticing.
And if you're not tracking your money each month, it's like driving blindfolded. You may keep moving, but you have no idea when trouble is about to hit.
Budgeting doesn't mean saying no to everything. It means deciding in advance how much goes to chai and biryani, how much goes to rent or EMI, and how much goes toward your future. When you start allocating money intentionally, even a small monthly amount for mutual funds becomes possible. That's when money stops feeling stressful and starts feeling manageable. Take control of your money before your money controls you. Subscribe for simple daily financial education made for India and start budgeting with purpose this month.